All right there, keep her moving slow.
Watch the wheel, lads.
Steady, girl.
Move those finished bricks to the stack.
The kiln is ready for the next batch.
Everything starts here, from this raw earth.
Easy now, steady.
This is thorough, careful preparation.
Careful with those corners, lad.
Up. Up.
Next.
Ready?
38, 39, 40. Steady, girl, steady!
This stacking pattern is complex engineering.
Keep the line moving, lads! Watch the heat by the door! Next wagon ready! Bring her forward!
This is extreme heat engineering.
She's burning hot tonight.
Check the temperature on the south side. Cone's bending, nearly there.
Can't rush this step either.
That's the start time marked. We wait another 48 hours before we even think about opening her up.
Understood, boss. The wagons are ready when you are.
Let's see how this batch turned out.
Good firing.
Looks perfect. Brick coming down.
Got it. Passing left.
Clear the wagon. Next one ready.
First, second. Reject. First.
Mark down 425 firsts from kiln 3. Excellent density. Load 2,000 reds for Johnson Construction. Good color on these.
Yes, sir.
Get up, boys.
From our factory floor into the hands of skilled masons, these bricks quite literally built the foundations of our great city.
12 hours gone. I'm beat.
Aye, but the pay's steady.
See you tomorrow, lads. Keep the molds moving. We need to load kiln 3 before dawn.
Kiln 3 needs coal attention.
Good night's production.
Clock in, everyone.
Make way for the deliveries.
Let's get this place running.
Hairline crack. Second spile.
Special bricks for special buildings.
Easy now, easy. Set it right there. Watch your feet.
Clean impression.
The compression on this red shale is quite good.
Indeed. And for the water table course, perhaps this salt glazed option would be more suitable.
Yeah. Much obliged.
Your husband's back for his dinner.
Aye, right on time. Did young Thomas cause any trouble this morning?
Best part of the day, this break.
See, especially the coffee.
Careful with that knife, old man.
See that color? That's proper firing.
Right.
Feel the weight? That's good dense clay.
Yes, sir. I hear it.
Back to it.
Same time tomorrow, boys. Need a beer after that shift. Keep the pace. Mind the truck, Charlie. She's grinding again. We'll get these bricks delivered by noon.
5,000 as ordered.
Morning, Mrs. Henderson.
Unload by the south wall.
Brick. Right. Right.
Coming along nicely.
Fine work, fine work. Your bricks are performing excellently, no issues. We stand behind our product.
All right, pull her steady now. Easy on the drop, boys.
Clear the way down below.
Welcome, children. Come right in. It's going to be a wonderful year.
Look at how big the rooms are.
Make us proud, son.